heart running wild, and I can't find my inner child. I reach for colors one by one until the darkness comes undone. I don't need to make it right, I just need a little light. Every swirl and shade I make, a breath I finally get to take. Fill the page with light, let your colors glow. Let the weight go off, let the healing flow. Every line a story, every shade a song. In this little world I can't go wrong. Fill the page with light and let it show. The calm inside begins to grow. There's no wrong way to be real. Every mark is how I feel. A rainbow born from quiet hands, a peace that no one understands. This is where I start to breathe, a quiet joy I never leave. Not for others, just for me, a place where I can truly be. Fill the page with light, let your colors go. So wait for love, let the healing flow. Every light a story, every shade a song. In this little world I can't go wrong. Fill the page with light and let it show. The calm inside begins to grow. When the world is loud at gray, I can color it away. Bit by bit, I take control, turning paper into soul. Fill the page with light, let your colors glow. Let the weight fall off, let the healing flow. Every